What are you doing?
Shoes.
You got shoes on? What did you see when you went out the window? What did you see out the window? A school bus?
Yeah,
Another one?
two.
You saw two?
Two.
What was it doing? What was the school bus doing? Was it picking up kids to go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you walk over to the window? Walk over there and see if you see another school bus. Do you see another one?
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it? Is your shoe coming off?